Welcome all of you in online classes. Today discussed about BSc second year syllabus, eigenvalues and eigenvector of the matrix article. Matrix is your second paper in the syllabus BSc second year. So here consider some questions on this article. First question is, find the rank of following matrices. Here given two matrices, matrix first of 3 by 3 order and matrix second of 2 by 3 order, because here number of rows is 2 and column is 3. And in the question, find the rank of the matrix. So according by definition, if determinant of given matrix of 3 by 3 or more than 3 by 3 is not equal to 0, then rank of the given matrix is 3 or more than 3. Okay. So for calculating to the rank of any matrix is very necessary point that note that determinant of the matrix should be not equal to 0. If suppose that determinant of 3 by 3 matrix is equal to 0, then after then consider its submatrix of 2 by 2 order and calculate the determinant. If determinant is not equal to 0, then rank of the given matrix, which is 3 by 3 order, its rank is 2, because 2 by 2 order matrix, submatrix of the given matrix has determinant not equal to 0. If 2 by 2 order determinant is equal to 0, then after consider submatrix of 2 by 2 and calculate the determinant, and therefore if not equal to 0, then rank of the given matrix is 1. Suppose that is equal to 0 of 1 by 1 matrix, submatrix of the given matrix, then rank of the given matrix is 0. So applying to this method here in the given question first, and you can calculate the values of rank of given matrices. So here I want to consider first matrix. Given matrix, first matrix, suppose first given matrix is capital A, 1 2 3 1 2 3 2 1 0 0 1 2 is matrix of 3 by 3 order, in which first row is 1 2 3, second row is 2 1 0 and third row is 0 1 2. This is 3 by 3 order matrix. So first calculate determinant of 3 by 3 order given matrix. It is implies that mod of A. Mod means determinant of the given matrix, and it has special rules for find to determinant of the given matrix. So applying to rules of determinant of the given matrix, here this is symbol of the determinant, this is symbol of the determinant, this is symbol of the determinant of any matrix. Here given matrix is capital A. So putting in the first row is 1 2 3 1 2 3, second row is 2 1 0 and third row is 0 1 2 is 3 by 3 order. According by determinant of any matrix using two rules which are you learned in the previous classes. So here calculate the determinant of 3 by 3 order matrix capital A is equal to, taken first 1 in bracket, eliminate 2 first row and first column of determinant. This means 1 into 2 minus 1 into 0. After then consider point minus 2, here 2, so plus minus plus is the process of determinant. So minus 2 in bracket minus 2 eliminate 2 first column second column and first row. So determinant of 2 0 and 0 2 means 2 into 2 minus 0 into 0. At last plus 3. So plus 3 eliminate 2 third column and first row. So determinant of this means 2 1 0 1. So 2 into 1 minus 0 into 1 minus 0 into 1 is expansion of the determinant. Simplify to this equation and brackets. So is equal to 1 into 2 2 minus 0 minus 2 in bracket 2 into 2 4 minus 0 plus 3 2 into 1 2 minus 0 is equal to 2 minus 0 1 into 2 1 into 2 minus 2 in bracket 4 into 0 4 plus 3 in bracket 2 minus 0 is equal to 2 is equal to 3 1 into 2 is equal to 2 and 2 into 4 is equal to minus 8. At last plus 6 so is equal to plus 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Here determinant of the given matrix capital A is equal to 0 of 3 by 3 order. Therefore, according by rules of rank of given matrix, rank of matrix capital A is not 3. It is implied that since rank of A of 3 by 3 order is equal to 0, then rank of matrix capital A is not equal to 3. After this, calculate rank determinant of the submatrices of the given matrix capital A. Therefore, here since determinant of 3 by 3 order of the given matrix is equal to 0, then means therefore rank of the matrix capital A is not 3. After this, taken submatrix of the given matrix. So taken submatrices of given matrix capital A. Here consider first submatrix which are A1. Suppose that first submatrix of the given matrix capital A is A1. So A1 is equal to, according by rules of submatrices of the matrices, here eliminate to any row, any column and remain portion is submatrix of the given matrix. So first write to this submatrix, matrix 1 2 and 2 1, submatrix A2. Here can write 2 3 1 0, 2 3 1 0, A3 is equal to 1 2 3 0, etc. You can find some matrices of the given matrix by this process. So after then calculate the determinant of some matrices. It is implied to determinant of a submatrix is equal to 1 2 determinant of 1 2 and 2 1 is equal to 1 into 1 minus 2 into 2 is equal to 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3 is not equal to 0. So here at least one sum matrix, if exists at least one sum matrix of the given matrix such that whose determinant is not equal to 0, then rank of the given matrix is order of the given submatrix, means rank of the given matrix is 2. Therefore rank of the given matrix capital A is 2 is complete solution. So in this question first given a matrix capital A 1 2 3 2 1 0 0 1 2. First calculate its determinant by this process. Here determinant of A is equal to 0. Therefore it is clear that rank of the given matrix capital A is not equal to 3. 3 here 3 is 3 by 3 order of the given matrix. After then calculate its sum matrix. So according by sum matrix rules of any matrix, consider sum matrix are A1 this, A2 this, A3 this, etc. You can sum or other sum matrix of the given matrix. After then find the determinant of each sum matrix. Consider first sum matrix whose determinant is not equal to 0. Then by according rules of rank of the matrix, if at least one sum matrix of the given matrix is not equal to whose determinant is not equal to 0, then rank of that matrix is called the order of that matrix is called rank of the given matrix. So here order of sum matrix A1 is 2 by 2. Therefore rank of the given matrix is 2, while determinant of A1 is not equal to 0. So is complete solution of the first part of question first. Now consider question second. Given matrix A, here you can a name is depend on yourself. So given matrix capital A is equal to 1 2 3 and 2 4 5. First calculate the determinant of matrix capital A. For this first taken some matrix of this. So taking some matrix of its submatrix of matrix capital A, because here given matrix capital A is not a square matrix, therefore consider its submatrix. So submatrix will be order of 2 by 2. Submatrix of matrix capital A are capital A1 is equal to 1 2 2 4, capital A2 is equal to 1 2 3 5, and capital A3 is equal to 2 3 4 5. These are three submatrices of the given matrix capital A of order is 2 by 3, 2 row and third column. Now calculate its determinant of each submatrix of the given matrix capital A. So it is implied that submatrix determinant is equal to 1 2 and 2 4 is equal to 1 into 4 minus 2 into 2 is equal to 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Since determinant of A1 is equal to 0. Therefore, you can not call that rank of the given matrix capital A is 2. Now, consider next submatrix A2, whose determinant and A2, whose determinant A2 is equal to mod of 1 3 and 2 5 is equal to 1 into 5 minus 2 into 3 is equal to 5 minus 6 is equal to minus 1 is not equal to 0. So here, according to my definition of rank of the matrix, here present one submatrix of the given matrix such that whose determinant is not equal to 0. So at least one matrix is present in the given submatrix, given matrix, which is A2, whose determinant is not equal to 0. Therefore, rank of the given matrix capital A is 2. So it is implied that rank of given matrix capital A is equal to 1 2 3 2 4 5 is 2. Here given matrix capital A 1 2 3 2 4 5 of 2 by 3 order is not a square matrix. Therefore, after then calculate submatrices of the given matrix capital A of 2 by 2 order. Here first submatrix, second submatrix, third submatrix. According by rules of rank of given matrix, if present any at least one submatrix whose determinant is not equal to 0, then order of that matrix is called rank of the given matrix. So here calculate the determinant of each submatrix. A1 determinant is equal to this, and after simplification is equal to 0. Okay. After that, calculate submatrix determinant of submatrix A2. 1 3 2 5 is equal to 1 5 minus 2 3 is equal to 5 minus 6 is equal to minus 1 and not equal to 0. Here A2 is present such that whose determinant is not equal to 0 and A2 is submatrix of the given matrix. So by rules of rank of the given matrix, it's clear that the rank of the given matrix will be 2 because submatrix A2 is order of 2 by 2 whose determinant is not equal to 0. So it's complete solution of the second part of the question first, and after this take a next question. In the question second, under which conditions the rank of following matrix is 3, where matrix is capital A, whose first row is 2 4 2, second row is 2 1 2, and third row is 1 0 x. For in this question, calculate the value of small x, capital X, where rank of the matrix capital A is 3. So according by rules of rank, the determinant of the given matrix capital A should be not equal to 0 of 3 by 3 order. Then find the value of x in that condition. So write here given matrix is capital A 2 4 2 2 1 2 1 0 x. According by question, rank of this matrix is equal to 3. Therefore, determinant of the matrix capital A is not equal to 0 according by rule of the rank of matrices. Okay. So, but given that rank of the matrix capital A is 3. So determinant of A is not equal to 0. Therefore, determinant of matrix capital A is not equal to 0. This is rule of the rank of any matrix. If rank of this matrix of 3 by 3 order is 3, then it is most important that determinant of this matrix means determinant of matrix capital A should be not equal to 0. Then determinant of matrix capital A is not equal to equal to 0. It is implies that determinant of A is not equal to 0. So calculate the determinant of matrix A in LHS side of this inequality. So putting the value of A is equal to 242, 212, 10 x, whose determinant is not equal to 0 according by question, because rank of the given matrix is 3. So determinant of 3 by 3 order of any matrix, submatrix or matrix itself is not equal to 0. Calculate as the determinant. So 2 taken 2 and first row, first column eliminate. So multiply by 1 into x minus 0 into 2 minus 4, taking minus 4, eliminate second column, first row. So multiply 2 with x, 2 into x minus 1 into 2 plus 2 here at last third column and first row, plus 2 means plus minus plus. So plus 2, in the plus 2 eliminate to this and consider determinant of this 2 by 2 order sub determinants means 2 1 1 0. So 2 into 0 and minus 1 into 1 is not equal to 0. Here is not equal to 0. So after simplification to this expression, 2 1 into x is equal to x minus 0 minus 4 in bracket 2 into x 2x minus 2 plus 2 in bracket 2 into 0 is equal to 0 minus 1 is not equal to 0. Simplify to this is equal to 2x minus 4, 2 into 2, 2x minus 2. So 4 2 8, 8x minus plus 8 plus 2 into minus 1 is not equal to 0. It is implies that 2x minus 8x is equal to here 2x plus 2x 4x minus 8x is equal to 4x minus 8x in bracket 2 plus 2 4x minus 8x plus 8 4 to the 8 x plus minus 8 and 2 into 0 minus 2. So here write minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 is not equal to 0. 2 minus 8 is equal to minus 6 x and 8 minus 2 is equal to minus 6 is not equal to 0. It is implies that here minus 6 and 6x is not equal to minus 6. It is implies that x is not equal to minus 1. So for this value of x means if x is not equal to minus 1, then rank of the given matrix capital A will be 3, and if putting the x is equal to minus 1 in the given matrix, then rank of this matrix is not equal to 3, because in this condition determinant of A is equal to 0. So here clear that the value of capital X should be minus not equal to should be minus 1 for rank of the given matrix is 3. So here write therefore for rank of the given matrix capital A is 3, the value of x should not equal to minus 1. Is complete solution of this question. So please one time revision to this question. Under which condition the rank of the following matrix is 3? Okay. In this question rank of the matrix is 3. What is the value of x for rank of the given matrix capital A is 3. So according by rules of the rank of matrix, if rank of this matrix is equal to 3, then determinant of 3 by 3 order of this matrix should be not equal to 0. So applying to this method and determinant of A is not equal to 0 according by rank rules. So putting the value of A and taking determinant according by rules plus minus plus is this is not equal to 0. Simplify to this equation and calculate the value of x. Here the value of x should be not equal to minus 1 for which rank of the given matrix is 3. So it's clear solution. Now take a next question. In the question third, find the value of small a so that the rank of matrix capital A is less than 3, where matrix A is 3A minus 8 3 3 3 3A minus 8 3 3 3 3A minus 8. In this question given that rank of matrix capital A is less than 3, means rank of the matrix capital A may be 2 or 1 or 0, any one. So here if rank of this matrix capital A is less than 3, therefore it is clear that determinant of matrix capital A of 3 by 3 order is equal to 0. So applying to this condition and you can calculate the value of small a from the given matrix. So, write solution. Given matrix capital A is equal to, given matrix capital A is equal to 3a minus 8, 3, 3, 3, 3a minus 8, 3, 3, 3 and 3a minus 8 is the given matrix of 3 by 3 order. According by question, rank of this matrix is less than 3. Therefore, determinant of 3 by 3 matrix is equal to 0. But given rank of matrix is less than 3 means determinant of 3 by 3 order of some matrix of capital A must be equal to 0. So, applying to this condition by rules of rank of the matrices, determinant of A is equal to 0. Putting the value of A is 3A minus 8, 3, 3 and 3, 3A minus 8 and 3, 3, 3, 3a minus 8 is equal to 0. Calculate its determinant, and for this here write second column or write third column from second column minus third column. Okay, it is implied that write third column C3 by C3 C2 minus C3, C2 minus C3. So it is implied that determinant of 3a minus 8, 3, 3 same as, and here write C3 means column third by subtraction of column third from 2. So column second will be same as, means 3a minus 8 and 3. After this subtraction 2 from this, and 3 minus 3 is equal to 0, and 3a minus 8 minus 3 is equal to 3a minus 11, because 3a minus 8 minus 3 is equal to 3a minus 11. At last 3 minus 3a minus 8, so minus 3a minus 11, minus plus, and 3 plus 11 here, 3 minus 3a minus plus, so 11, 3a plus 11 whose determinant is equal to 0. After this expand to determinant symbol and is write in the form 3a minus 8 in bracket, and in the second bracket first row and first column eliminate, 3a into 3a minus 8 into minus 3a plus 11 minus 3 times of 3a minus 11 in first bracket, and in the second bracket taking negative sign, positive, negative, positive, so minus 3, and eliminate to this column and this row. So multiply the 3 with minus 3, 3 into minus 3, 3 into minus 3, 3 into minus 3 plus 11 minus 3 times 3a minus 11 in bracket. At last third is 0. So 0 plus 0 multiply, here is taking 0, eliminate to third column and first row, multiply by 3 with 3 is equal to 9, minus 3 times in bracket 3a minus 8 is equal to 0. RHS is 0, so is equal to 0. Simplify to this and you can calculate the value of small a. For this is equal to, implies that 3a minus 8 in bracket 3a minus 8 second bracket minus 3a plus 11 and minus 9a minus plus 33 minus 3 in bracket minus 9 minus 9a and plus 33 minus 9a minus plus 33. Minus 9a plus 33 and is also equal to minus 3, 39, same, so is equal to 0, is equal to 0 here. After multiply by 0 in this bracket, total equal to 0, so is at in the right hand side 3a minus 8 in bracket multiply to this 3a minus 8 and minus 3a plus 11, so 3 minus 9a square minus 9a square and multiply with 11, 33a plus 33a (9a square) and 33a minus 8 minus plus 24a minus 88 in bracket and minus 9a plus 33 minus 9a plus 33 minus 9a plus 33 minus time 3 in bracket minus 9 minus 18a and 33 plus 33 is equal to 66 is equal to 0. After simplification to this equation, you can calculate the value of small a, which in the multiply of this in the cube form. So the value of a will be 3 values of a because it cubic root. So it is implied that the values of a are the values of a are 2 by 3, 11 by 3 and 11 by 3. Is complete solution of the question. In determinant A, here given that find the value of A while rank of the given matrix capital A is less than 3, means determinant of matrix capital A must be equal to 0. So applying to this, and first write third column by C2 minus C3 and after then calculate the determinant of this matrix, and after calculation find the value of A are 2 by 3, 11 by 3 and 11 by 3. So after this consider next question. In the question 5th, determine the characteristic roots of the following matrices. First matrix is 0 1 2 1 0 minus 1 2 minus 1 0. Second matrix is F 8 minus 6 2 minus 6 7 minus 4 2 minus 4 3, and at last third matrix is 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 and 2 minus 1 3. In the question, calculate the characteristic roots, means eigenvalue. Here you know that characteristic root also known as so therefore write the question and given first matrix is here. Find first matrix capital A is equal to, suppose that is matrix capital A of 3 by 3 order 0 1 2 0 1 2 1 0 minus 1 and 2 minus 1 0 is the given matrix of 3 by 3 order. Write its characteristic equation. Its characteristic equation is A minus lambda I, determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. Here I means identity matrix of 3 by 3 order. So first calculate the lambda I value, and for this determinant of first write here first equation. First calculate the value of A minus lambda I matrix. So here write A minus lambda I is equal to matrix A is 0 1 2 and 1 0 minus 1 and 2 minus 1 0 is the given matrix, minus lambda times identity matrix. You know that identity matrix of 3 by 3 order is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Multiply by lambda each elements of identity matrix 3 by 3 order. It is implies that A minus lambda I is equal to matrix 0 minus lambda 0 minus lambda 1 minus 0 1 minus 0 means 1 and 2 minus 0 means 2, and 1 minus 0 is equal to 1 and 0 minus lambda is equal to minus lambda and minus 1 and minus 1 minus 0 is equal to minus 1. 2 minus 0 2 minus 1 and 0 minus 1 and 0 minus lambda is minus lambda. This is A minus lambda I matrix. 0 minus lambda means minus lambda. Here you can write only minus lambda, and minus lambda 1 2 1 minus lambda minus 1 2 minus 1 minus lambda is the matrix of 3 by 3 order, means A minus lambda I matrix is represented by second. So from first and second, from first and second, from first and second, A minus lambda means determinant of minus lambda 1 2 1 minus lambda and minus 1 2 minus 1 minus lambda is equal to 0. Putting the value of A minus lambda I means calculate here write determinant of this matrix of 3 by 3 order. So is determinant of A minus lambda I matrix, which represented by equation second. So minus lambda 1 2 1 minus lambda minus 1 2 minus 1 lambda is determinant is equal to 0. Expand to this determinant and taken minus lambda in bracket. Here eliminate first row and first column. Minus lambda is equal to lambda square and minus minus plus minus 1. After then taking minus 1. So eliminate first row and second column. So 1 into minus lambda is equal to minus lambda and minus plus into 2 plus 2, and last is 2. So eliminate third row and first column. 1 into 1 minus 1 and minus 2 lambda means plus 2 lambda is equal to 0. Taking simplification to this bracket, for this, here multiply by minus lambda to lambda square minus 1, so is equal to minus lambda cube, minus plus lambda, and plus lambda and minus 2 plus multiply by 2 with minus 1 is equal to minus 2 and 4 lambda is equal to 0. Simplify to this. Here taking all lambda cube, so only one is lambda cube, write minus lambda cube and taking after then lambda square, lambda cube, lambda, this, okay. Here no any lambda square value, so write after then lambda plus lambda, 2 lambda and 4, 6 lambda. After then numerical value is minus 2 minus 4 and minus 4 is equal to 0. Here lambda cube is highest power of lambda, so first taken negative sign from this equation, so lambda cube minus 6 lambda minus 6 plus 4 is equal to 0. In this question is represented by equation third. Calculate the value of lambda by factorization of equation third, and you can use to the factor theorem. For this, putting the value of lambda is equal to 1. So if lambda is equal to 1, then 1 minus 6 1 and 4 is not here, you cannot put lambda is equal to 1. After factorization to this equation third by rules of factor theorem, and therefore the value of lambda is equal to 2 and minus 1 plus minus under root 3. Here the values of lambda are 3 values, so it is represented as lambda 1 is equal to 2, lambda 2 is equal to minus 1 plus under root 3, and lambda 3 is equal to minus 1 minus under root 3. These are 3 values of lambda is called characteristic roots of the given matrix capital A, is also called the eigenvalues of the given matrix capital A. Therefore, it is implied that characteristic roots or write in the bracket eigenvalues of given matrix capital A or lambda is equal to 2, lambda 2 is equal to minus 1 plus under root 3, and at last lambda 3 is equal to minus 1 minus under root 3 is complete solution. These are 3 characteristic roots, means eigenvalues of the given matrix capital A. For calculate the characteristic roots eigenvalues, write the given matrix which is 3 by 3 order. So first calculate the correct matrix A minus lambda I, where I is the identity matrix, putting the value of I of 3 by 3 order 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. After simplification to this subtraction of the matrices, the value of A minus lambda I means matrix A minus lambda I is equal to this, which is represented by equation second. After this, calculate the determinant of this matrix. This determinant of A minus lambda I is called characteristic equation of the given matrix. So determinant A minus lambda I is equal to 0, and with help of the determinant methods you can find the value of lambda, which are 2 minus 1 plus minus under root 3. These are called characteristic roots or eigenvalues of the given matrix. So is complete solution of the given question. You can similarly calculate the characteristic roots and eigenvalues of the matrices second and third.